everyone, this is Forrest from SINOFUDE Machinery Company, and today I will give you the detailed introduction of our fondant candy making production line in our factory. You can see the machine is behind me. And do you know what is the fondant candy? It is similar with the toffee candy in the market. I think someone have tasted it, or you never do it, you can try. Okay, now follow me to look at the details of our machine. This production line is divided into two parts. One is the cooking system, another is the fondant base beating machine. Now follow me to look at the first part. This is a jack cooker and a storage tank. Their value is 300 liters. You can see this is our jack cooker, and inside it is equipped with a white scraper and stirrer to fully mix the syrup. In this part is to prepare for cooking, and its temperature can achieve about 100 degrees. To ensure the continuous production, so we equipped it with a storage tank. And after through the pipe, we transfer the syrup into the continuous vacuum cooker. And you can see through this loading pump, the pump transfers the syrup into the coil type continuous vacuum cooker, and this is the shut-off valve. This is the pressure gauge. Through this vacuum cooker, the syrup can be quickly achieve the temperature of 110 degrees to ensure the candy be high quality. This is the vacuum room. Then come to the second part, the fondant base beating machine. You can see this machine is beside me. The syrup is transferred into this hopper, and there are two big round tubes. And this tube is jacket, can adjust and keep the temperature. Because when the machine is working or beating, the temperature will become high. So the temperature need to be adjusted. And you can see the small tube to support the whole machine. The tube shape is round because it is design. Why we design like this way? Because it is easy to clean. And this is the motor. You can see its brand is the famous brand Siemens. When the beating machine is working, the temperature will keep at about 50 to 55 degrees. And after working, the product will come out from here. And the temperature of the final product is about 60 degrees. And the product is like white and is white color. That's all about our fondant candy making machine in our factory. If you are interested in how to make fondant candy and interested in our machine working process, you can contact me and subscribe my channel. And see you next time. Goodbye.